Hey, my name is Daryl Thompson, and in today's exciting video, we are learning the solo from the Planetshakers song, This Love. Now, this is how it's going to happen. Straight after this, I'm going to play along to a backing track that I've created for the solo, which is set to the song's tempo of 185 beats per minute. That's nothing to sneeze at. Then straight after that, the backing track will be set to what I call level 1, 120 beats per minute, which is far shy of the full tempo. And there I will be playing the solo, which is where you have the opportunity to learn the solo with me. Now once you've mastered that, let the video continue, which will take you on to level 2, where the backing track is being played at 125 beats per minute. And there I will leave you to play with the backing track all by yourself. Now, as you move on from level 3 to level 4 to level 5, etc., get to level 14, which is where I return and play with you at the song's tempo of 185 beats per minute. Now, are you ready for this challenge? This isn't for the faint of heart. Only the bravest take this on. But if you can master level 14, there will be a very special message from me at the very end. The next thing I need to say is, are you ready, player 1? Congratulations, player number 1, on completing the final round! You have slayed the dragon, rescued the princess, recovered the stolen jewels, and restored peace to the kingdom. But for champions like you, that's just all in a day's work. Keep on being awesome, you mighty warrior!